saw me doing something good.
It made me feel proud because many people don't get the chance.
And I felt like somebody actually cared about me, and people in my family were really happy. And it feels so good to have people like be so happy for you, and good progress brings rewards.
It made me feel like I was actually showing progress in math because I was having trouble in math. So I felt like somebody cared about me and my progress in math.
When I won awesome progress last year, it made me feel glad that I'm making progress because my math and writing grade was at a B, and by the end of the year I had it up at an A again.
When I won awesome progress, it made me feel good about myself because when I had a C in math and my grade in math went up to an A.